Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Gaikwad. Today we are here to present our presentation on recycling of waste plastic in flexible paper under the guidance of Ramesh Badekar sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, NB Navle Siagar College of Engineering, Solapur. Content of our presentation: Introduction, Literature Review, Theoretical Formulation, Parametric Investigation, Conclusion, Scope for Future Studies and References. Introduction. Today, due to increase in population, plastic waste is also increasing day by day. As plastic is non-biodegradable material, its disposal has become a very serious problem. 500 billion plastic bags are used annually over worldwide. 1 million seabirds and 1 lakh marine mammals are killed in our oceans annually from plastic. To overcome these defects, we have thought to use waste plastic in construction sector like by preparing plastic pavers. Objectives of project: strength can be increased compared to conventional paper. It is economical. Waste plastic gets reduced. Waste plastic can be used as a binding material. Advantages: plastic waste can be reused. Economical, durable and high strength can be achieved. High profit, eco-friendly, encourages entrepreneur for setting business. Intensity of plastic get reduced on earth. Literature review: International Research Journal of Engineering and Technology, B. Shangmauli. In this project, cement is replaced with plastic waste in paver blocks, and to reduce cost of paver blocks, in this project they have used plastic waste, quarry dust, aggregate and ceramic waste. Yusuf Jarnatic et al. In this project, they have replaced fine aggregate by plastic fine aggregate in concrete of fineness modulus 4.7. Theoretical formulation: material used are plastic bags, crushed sand and cement. Manufacturing process: first mixing preparation, second heating the mixture, third molding, fourth set and fifth is market. In mixing preparation, the wetted plastic materials are dropped in the drum. The plastic waste are heated in the drum of above 150 degrees Celsius. As the plastic melts, crushed aggregate is added into hot liquid. The aggregate added is mixed thoroughly using rod and towel before it hardens. Second, heating the mixture. Material should be mixed until the mixture becomes homogeneous. Third, molding. The mold should be lubricated prior to use and then the mixture is poured into the mold. Prepare the mold by making sure it is very clean and well oiled. Fourth, set. Allow the hot mixture in the mold to set for a few minutes, repeatedly shaking the mold to loosen the edge. Keep trying to lift the mold. Fifth, market. Tiles made in this way are strong as concrete paving tiles. If you have your product tested and certified an approved construction product, you will be able to market into local building companies as well as directly to customer. Test performed on plastic paver blocks. First, compression test. Second, impact test. Third, temperature test. These are some pictures of paver blocks which we have casted. Parametric investigation. Proportion used were 1:1.5 and 1:1.88 and cement of 10% is used in both the proportion. Here 1 is plastic waste and 1.5 and 1.88 is crushed sand. After casting and drying for 24 hours, pavers were taken for test. For compression strength calculation, equation used was ultimate load to the area of cross section and the maximum load at failure was taken. And for calculation of impact value, the equation used was initial weight to the final weight into 100.
Hello, I am Dhanama Vibhude. Our next part is results. We are making 3 blocks for each proportions. Compression test for the ratio 1:1.5. 3 days average value is 5.86 Newton per mm square. 7 days average value is 5.45 Newton per mm square. The graph shows the comparison between the 3 days and 7 days test. Compression test for a ratio 1:1.88. 3 days average value is 8.41 Newton per mm square. 7 days average value is 5.6 Newton per mm square. Graph shows the comparison between the 3 days and 7 days test. Impact test for the ratio 1:1.5. 3 days average value is 95.34%. 7 days average value is 97.46%. The graph shows the comparison between the 3 days and 7 days test. Impact test for a ratio 1:1.88, 3 days average value is 92.55%, 7 days average value is 97.38%. The graph shows the comparison between the 3 days and 7 days test. Temperature test. In the temperature test, temperature is no change in the both the ratios. Conclusion. Maximum compression strength for a plastic paver is permissible limit as per the IS standard. It is beneficial for the temperature test, no effect due to the temperature up to 150 degrees Celsius. To minimize the waste plastic to make the plastic paver, the results are permissible as per the IS standard. Plastic paver cost is less than the concrete pavers. Scope for further studies. To use the different admixtures can also be beneficial from strength perspective. For the economy purpose, we will decrease the cement content while increasing the plastic. Parameter can be comprised with the melted weight of the plastic. These are the references we are studied for our project. We are published the research paper in International Journal of Engineering and Innovative Technology. These are the two letters. This is the certificate of our guide and our team members in the project. Thank you.